could it be he's talking about the 60%? So it is nothing to do with the 40%. 40% is our obligation, their obligation to return. And again, is he ill-advised or misinformation or what? So I don't blame him lah. But kalau ini pemikiran Kuala Lumpur, then it is not correct lah to say that we have given you 16 billion and this is smaller than the 40%. So then how do you know what is the 40% if you did not even give us the figure all this while that we have requested? So where is the figure coming from? So I guess it has, maybe the officers or Minister of Finance told him like that. So he sugot begitu lah. But nothing to do with the 40%. 40% must be paid because this is our rights under the federal constitution. And we need to settle it. We need to settle this by July the 18th. Whatever happens, we need to settle it. Because for 40 years, more than 40 years, maybe 50 years, we have not received anything other than the 26.7 million that has been decided in 1969. 69 sampai tahun 73 dia flat tiada. Okay? So until today it is still unsettled. Of course, we are receiving as interim 125.6 million previous year. This year we get 300 interim payment. It's not 40%. Okay, so we need the 40% to be settled as soon as possible. And of course, we respect the Prime Minister's mentioning of the 16 billion, but we not worry about that because that is federal obligation.
That what about the thing that he said, stop this sentiment on asking more allocation from the federal government through MS63. He said stop raising the issue because he's the Prime Minister for all Malaysians, so shouldn't keep on harping on this issue.
We cannot stop raising the issue until it is settled. And we stop raising the issue, then they start forgetting about the issue. So we need to continue raising up the issue until it is settled. And hopefully it is settled as soon as possible.
Did you immediately inform PM that he was misinformed about this allocation yesterday? Did you? Yeah. Did you get the chance to talk to him?
The calculation, that was
No, because I have to do some checking. Yeah, and I didn't want to mention what the state government is submitting lah, because it needs to be endorsed by the state cabinet first. But if he is talking about the federal development funds, seperti Sabah, it is also, if you look at it, it is also part of the money that we give them. We give them 60%. And that is, from there, it is their obligation to develop the state. But I do not want to argue over the figures, but I only worry about the 40%. 16 million, I mentioned, has nothing to do with the 40%. And we're not worried about that because even